Welcome back to my channel, on my YouTube channel. It is video number 10. I am documenting this all for you that no longer live here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and bringing it to you guys. I have a new subscriber. It is the supervisor of the ones in the white outfits that you see in the videos. He gave me his phone and I subscribed him to my YouTube channel so you can check out all the stuff that goes on that he's missing while he's working in the same area, which I really enjoy doing. So that way these guys can see what's going on while they're working and not seeing anything. So this is what's going on. I never knew an excavator could get up that high. He's getting up high so he can make sure everything's flat and organized and before this truck takes off. Wow. That's money right there in the back of the truck. Trailer, semi-trailer. That's money. We got one here. One here, and then we got one there. 3 trucks to come get all that stuff you see in the background. Yeah, buddy. Interesting as can be. When things happen, demo happens. Damn. Before you know it, it will all be gone. And nothing but land will be here and turn it into a track and field. Focus. There you go. Anybody else know that I knew that an excavator could do that? I didn't know that until I saw it. Like last week sometime I saw that go up like that. It's like that is something different technology. Come on. Here. That's something else. It's totally in the air, kind of. While it's doing that, that way it can knows how much to put into that truck. Focus. And that way it's totally down and it's not going to fly out. This in and out stuff always happens when because I'm going through the fence, so bear with me. It's crazy. You can still see the roof on the other side. Wow. All these years coming, now it's going. Ooh, maybe I can get over there to Central Street. Actually, no, I don't think I would be able to get that much of a close-up on that side until they get more, knock out the other wall on the other side, which I would love to see that happen while I'm on the other side. We just got done, my wife and I just got done taking care of some things and then we came back so I can figure out where they're at with this demolition. Yes, it is a demolition. See? It even says right on the back of that vehicle. Demolition. Not a progress, but a demolition. Looks like a landfill over there with all the piles and piles of stuff. You need to go to the waste. It's like, dang! It's crazy. Working their way up from the elementary school to the front of the building. Let me go across the street here. They're gonna be going from here all the way down to that part of the old middle school part of the building. They're gonna work their way from this side right there to the middle, which they're already at, to the to this side. Go back and forth, I'm sure. Wow. I'm glad I got pictures before they brought this down. So that's a good thing. People can cherish those pictures anytime they want. They can save them if they want. I did it for everybody on the groups. And my wife took and posted. So yeah. All they're doing now is getting stuff on the side into that truck, so that truck can take off. While that truck is about to wait for some. He's fixing his engine or something up that. But he needs to get done so that way this truck can back in here and not be in the way. Can't believe how that excavator is up like that high. Like I said, I never seen a excavator go up that high with its part of the excavator. It's like, wow, interesting as can be. He can lift himself with the shocks or whatever you want to call it. Hydraulics, that's what it is. To get himself up that high to see down into the truck bed, the dump truck thing. Just make sure everything's good to go. That's crazy how that happens. Alright, let's take a break from here and let's go back around. I might have to do a 10.5 video because my battery's going down, so let's go take a look at the other part of the other side of the school. Do 24-hour video surveillance. No trespassing. You will get busted. It's not safe to be in a building like that. It's unsafe to be in a condemned building. Everybody had the chance to go through it. That is on my YouTube channel. The last walkthroughs. I did one whole walkthrough to get it out of the way. So I did the same to the other one, Washington Elementary. I think that was like a day or two. I think I did that one in 2 different videos. I think it was just one because it was so upstairs, downstairs, only 2 levels to Washington School on Winnebago Ave. Wow. Very interesting as heck. Moved on around the corner. Drilling somewhere. Going on the other side of the building, central side. Oh yeah, well, they are going to get up on that house right there. I'm looking at. It is very in desperate need of TLC. Alright, I just got done talking to the bus driver. I know him for quite a while. All these windows are coming out, like I said in the previous videos, due to demo, because that's usually how things are done with this company that's bringing it down. Oh, these signs are not going to be here. They're going bye-bye. Because everybody's going to LED signs now, and nobody needs these signs. If you are interested in these signs, contact the school district. There's this one, and there's this concrete one over here. I'm sure you would talk to the right person. I'm sure you will be able to give them a number, money-wise. Then you have this concrete one right here that they recently put up not too long ago. Faded on one side, but not the other side. Faded on that side, but not the other side. The other side is clear as can be. It's still in blue because it wasn't getting the sun. There you go. 1901. This side is more good than the other one because the other one got the sun, I think, the most. So these ones are going out of here, as well as this Merrill sign over here. I'm not positive if they'll sell them to anybody, but I'd probably get on it before. And then you got this one over here at the corner of Central and New York. Focus. There you go. This one is also here for electrical. So I'm sure if you give them a number, I'm sure they'll go do a deal with you. Don't quote me on that, but somebody's got to take over these signs for historical purposes. So yeah, look into that. I would save it, but I don't have the money to buy anything at this moment. I would love to have a sign to change up for different things that go on. Quickly getting done here. Central in New York. They're finishing up on the side like it was when we last on number 9. Before you know it, it will not be here anymore. So, yep. They're working inside, making their way out. Working inside, getting all the stuff off that needs to come off. That's weird to see this, all this architecture to come down. It's always good. That's why I always take pictures of things at the school before this happened, and that way you always have a piece of the history in a picture form. They must know exactly where all the mold and asbestos is around the frame. They look like ghosts. and those suits, but that's to prevent from anything getting on asbestos or mold to get on their clothes if you don't know what they are wearing. All these windows go back, they go to the waist, but they do it a different way with these things that have asbestos and mold on them. The boss is a subscriber of mine now, so if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments regarding this position, I could call it, and I'm sure he'll answer it. I'll make sure he answers them. This part of the building says Area E 1931. I wonder how they could predict that. I really do. I wonder how they could predict the year of this building besides 1901. Once they have a history of it, of which parts were added on, and because this part right here was the elementary part that was added on to this older middle school side. All right, let's continue. Walk through this crud. I'll say crap. That's not a bad word. Everybody does it. Oh, no. This is the way they're going to come out with that excavator, because they're already clearing this area right now. I'm sure they'll work their way to this part of the hallway and stuff. Eventually, they're worried about one area at a time to take care of. And yeah, it's interesting as heck to see that. Yeah, I'm really set on a good job in the year to come. All the beams and look at all those beams in the ceiling, the roof, the beams that held the walls together. That's a lot of money right there. You can even see them working right here. Sorry about that, but you can see them working a lot right here. And this part right here. This part area was Area A, 1954. Alrighty. He's going to take all that material full of asbestos and mold. He's going to put it in this green dumpster in this back area. My battery percentage is going dead. I'm going low on me, so I'm going to be cutting it pretty quick here. Work on, probably go to video number 11. So they have another dumpster within that area, between those other red dumpsters. This is just crazy. But anyways, yeah, my battery's gonna go out. I'm gonna switch up to my wife's phone and videotape some more. But I think I'm gonna take a break and return back tomorrow, Thursday. If I can fit this in, I will fit it in Thursday. Today is Wednesday, so yeah. Oh yeah. All right. I'm gonna pause here. I'll get around the corner. All right, we are on Custard. About to go back to the vehicle and grab my wife's phone to take over on footage while my battery is going down. My phone. Oh yeah. I have my YouTube channel public, so that way I can have everybody that doesn't live here no more in my neck of the woods see my videos. I haven't asked anybody in my videos yet this question. Tell me, where are you watching this video from? I'd love to see how many people in different countries watch my video. I can't read anything but English, just so you know. So hopefully you can let me know where you're watching my videos from. Oh yeah. I'll be glad to see how many people are watching my videos and where you are watching them from. Be right back. Alright. Just turn the corner. Wow. They did not waste no time on this job. Not at all. Looks like a landfill now. All the stuff on the ground and stuff. But they use it for everything else. Big time. So you see all that right there is the outline to the track and field that would be in the spot of the old school. So that way the Val Phillips students I know is around here can enjoy it during decent weather for the gym class. There was an athletic field in the Val Phillips spot, and then now they want to bring this down and put it here. Put it on this side where Merrill was. Working on this engine. Dang! That's crazy. Yep, that's what's going on now. Very, very crazy. If I don't get back to you, I'll let you know what the date is. I think I'm going to wrap this one up for the day, and I'll catch you back next time. Thank you for joining me for video number 10. I will catch you back another time. Until then, see ya. Subscribe, like, comment. Anything you comment on, I'll try to get the answer to. Until then, thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.